Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about some pretty big news that I think it's kind of crazy, um, kind of smart, but kind of not as well. I don't know how you guys will take this, but yeah, I mean, the title probably already spoiled it, and I think it's a good news to report on. And today we're doing kind of a couch sit down slash iPad reading with you guys, because I think a lot of you guys like this, and you have told me you like this, so. Let's get on to it. First of all, shout out to the Spider-Man shirt right here. Got that new Spider-Man shirt, so kind of like it. But let's read it, guys. I think it's big news. I'm not sure. It's not everywhere, so if you go to your local metro, they might not be doing this, but there's basically a strike going on. I reported on this a while ago, maybe a couple of weeks ago, talking about how there's big changes coming to Metro by T-Mobile. So let's get into it, guys. So it says, I'm going to read some of this article and discuss it with you guys as well. This is kind of what this couch reading is about. So it says, Metro by T-Mobile dealers are not accepting payments at this time. What do you mean they're not accepting payments at this time? So let's get into it. Let's keep reading. These news are brought to you by prepaidphonenews.com. Very good website. Check them out. So I'd like to report. It says, it looks like the dispute among Metro by T-Mobile dealers and the wireless carrier is not going to end soon. So I don't know if you guys know, but Metro by T-Mobile is basically fighting with T-Mobile because T-Mobile is bringing big changes to dealers. So by big changes, it's not talking about phones or plans, it's talking about money. And you know, everybody, like Mr. Krabs, loves money. And you know, when you play with your money, that's not good. You know, people are going to fight you. So let's see. It says, as previously discussed, the T-Mobile prepaid brand will be implementing changes to its dealer program, and these changes set to take place in October, which is now, today's October 2nd from the filming this video, appear to be in place now. So now that October has started, these changes have started and implemented. It says T-Mobile has made some changes to the compensation, aka money, that its Metro by T-Mobile dealers will be receiving. Among those changes implemented today is the removal of any compensation on a renewal payment on a Metro by T-Mobile phone. So let me break it down to you. What that means is back then, I would say back then, but you know, a couple weeks ago or a couple days ago actually, since October just started, if you went to a Metro, or let's say you were a dealer, right? And if you had a customer or someone just go into your store and pay their bill, you would get compensated for that. Doesn't say how much, but you would get something. Now, you might be saying, wow, they're probably not making that much off a $35 bill pay or $50 bill pay or even a $100 bill pay. You know, even if they get 10% or something like that, something small, it'd probably less than that, honestly. It helps out in the long run. Because if you think about it, let's say they just make $1 or $2 off that customer, $2.50, whatever it is. But imagine how many customers in a month they have. Let's say 30, 40, 50, maybe 100, depending on how busy the store is. So that adds up. Now, what a lot of dealers were saying is they were actually using those fees to cover the cost of credit card fees. So I don't know if you guys know, but every time you go into a store and you use your credit card, debit card, they charge a percentage. I don't know if it's 2 or 3%, whatever it is, to the merchant or the store, let's just say. So let's say you own a Metro by T-Mobile store, and I go in and make my payment. I swipe my card. Yes, it will take my money, let's say 35 plus taxes or whatever it is. Well, actually it's included, but you know what I mean. They will charge you, you won't get $35. You'll actually get a little bit less because they're going to charge you a percentage. That credit card company is going to charge you a percentage. That's how they make money. Now you might be saying, why, if they charge you a percentage, why do people use credit cards or debit cards and just not take just cash? I asked that myself many times, but it's just a convenience. Not many people are carrying cash. Like if you look at my wallet, I might have nothing in there. I might have like $1 or $2, but I will have my debit card, my credit card, and so on. You know, multiple credit cards and bank cards or whatever I have in there, because it's just more convenient. You know, people have their payment form in their phone now, so you can do Apple Pay or Google Pay on your iPhone or whatever you have. You know, just tap it and you pay. It's just how everything's going. So you might be thinking, well, if I only accept cash, and let's say I go to your store and I don't have cash, I'm not going to make my payment there, you know, so you're not going to get that compensation. Same thing with Walmart. Walmart does the same thing. I mean, they probably are bigger stores, so they probably get less of a percentage charged. Um, but that's basically the gist of it. Now, let's keep finishing this up. Let's wrap this up. It says, in response to this, the dealers have taken action and stopped accepting bill payments, guys. At Metro by T-Mobile locations, the sign had been seen at stores earlier today. Hopefully, the dispute will be taken care of in a win-win situation. So that's the rest of the article. So now, at this point, we'll start discussing it. So, like I said, guys, they're actually putting up signs saying they will not accept bill payments. And it's actually funny. They tell you to go ahead and tweet at, I believe it's the CEO of Metro, or T-Mobile actually, of T-Mobile, and letting them know that, hey, I went to your store and I can't make a payment. What's up? They basically want people to rally behind them, start tweeting at these, big guys in the corporate America, well, corporate T-Mobile, and be like, yo, what's up? Why can't I make my payment? Da da da. So, yes, a lot of people, you might be saying to yourself, well, why don't you just do auto pay? Yeah, auto pay is a possibility, but remember, Metro by T-Mobile, or even paying online, but remember, Metro by T-Mobile usually is in the more, not as, how should I put this, not as wealthier areas. So a lot of people, don't have a bank account or can't set up auto pay if they don't know how to set up auto pay. Or a lot of people, I know I get this answer a lot when I tell people to sign up for auto pay is, my money's kind of funny in the beginning of the month, I might not have it there, this and that, you know what I mean? And I tell people, okay, I do understand, whatever way they get their money, it's a little bit difficult. So not everybody has that payment option. For me and you, it might be easy. Yeah, I mean, my phone, I have 5 phones on my plan, and I have auto pay. It just helps. I actually get a little discount on there, so it helps. Now, you can also do it through the app. You can download the app and pay that way with a card. But like I said, same thing. A lot of people don't have cards. You'll be surprised. I'll tell them just go get a prepaid Visa card from like Walmart and reload it or something and pay it that way. It'll be convenient. But like I said, a lot of people, honestly, from the way in years that I've worked, a lot of people actually live close to a store. So they might be living close to a Boost Mobile. They might be living close to a Metro by T-Mobile or a Cricket Wireless. Why? Because they don't have a form of transportation and they just walk there. Honestly, where the stores are set up, at least here in my town, there's the homes are pretty close, usually apartments, or like I said, usually like in the projects or something like that, close to the projects. Like I said, because Metro and Boost Mobile, they're targeting kind of low income families. That's the word I'm trying to say. So a lot of people will just walk there. I mean, walk their bike there, maybe get a ride, call an Uber, a taxi. So like I said, it's not that convenient for a lot of people. A lot of people just pay in cash, so they just don't have a card. So I don't know. Do I think this is smart for them to do this? I do see what they're doing. They're trying to take a stand because if you think about it, they're going to be losing money now. Now that they're not going to get that compensation that Metro by T-Mobile or T-Mobile is giving them, guys. Now they're just going to be losing money. Every time they take a $35 bill pay, it's like you're losing money. So it's like, why am I losing money? Might as well just be like, nope, you can do it online. You can call over the phone. Or what they want is a lot of people rally behind them and be like, tweet at the CEO or something like that and be like, hey, I can't do this. What are you doing? Fix this. So hopefully they will fix this issue pretty soon. All right, sorry, I had to cut that part. I had to sneeze. The sun's starting to hit me this way, so you can probably hear it in my voice change a little bit just because I sneeze. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let's discuss this in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Is this smart? And is your local Metro by T-Mobile doing this? I probably have to go check mine now that this kind of came out and see if they're actually doing it. So yeah, please comment, rate, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit that little thumbs up button, and check out Honey. They are my supporter, so that will be in the description below. I do get a small commission if you check that out. So thank you, guys.